In this video, we will talk about the upcoming rig sale from our planet that will take place this May 22, 2021. And what is it for you and how much can you actually earn? Okay, just take note that this is not a financial advice, and please do subscribe into my channel for more our planet and other blockchain game contents in the future. So let's just start, okay? So this is an official announcement from their Medium website. So there will be a rigs for everyone that will take in place for May 22, 2021. So as you can see here, this upcoming rig sale will you will be allowed to purchase only one mini pack and one mega pack with a 5-minute cooldown period. So as you can see here, the sale will be distributed during two 1-hour sales. So the first sale will be this $30 pack right here. Okay, that will be the first one. So it will be on Saturday, May 22nd, at 4 p.m. UTC. So it will be just available for 1 hour. So just don't miss this one out. And of course, it is says you will get 1,000 Aether per hour guaranteed on this one. Okay, so the next one is of course this mega pack of right here, which gives you 24 NFT cards of mining tools, which you can get up to 4,000 Aether per hour guaranteed on this one, which of course has a price of $120, which of course being paid via wax currency, and there's only 2,250 mega packs that will be available. However, in this one there will be 9,000. And just take note that after this one ended, okay, this one will follow. And after you've already bought your packs right here, you can just open your packs after 1 hour, which will take around 6 p.m. UTC. So let's just talk about how much this 1,000 Aether per hour really converts if you put it into Tether USD. So let's just go into this a really common website right here, on which you can compute how much you can earn based on your mining power. So as you can see here, I do have 673 Aether per hour that I earn, and if you will put it inside this one, it will compute that will says $113 monthly. So let's just compute what is this 1,000 Aether per hour guaranteed means for you. That just costs you around $30. Why not, right? So let's check it right here. So 1,000 Aether per hour will give you around 168 Aether monthly, which of course after 1 month you will get times 5 of your money. And of course, if you divide it into months, you'll just get your ROI for the next 6 days. However, it could vary because of the current Aether price. However, that is the average ROI that you can get if you buy this pack. And if you are buying this one, okay, if you're buying this mega pack, which of course more like the bigger version, okay. So as you can see here, this is 1,000 Aether per hour. This one is $30. This one is 4,000 Aether per hour, which also in $120. But of course, the rarity that you could get between this one up to this one is really different, because it has a higher legendary chance and a mythic chance rather than the common part right here, which is the mini pack. So let's just compute how much 4,000 Aether per hour can bring you to the table. So as you can see here, it gives us 674 Tether USD monthly. And just remember, the Tether USD is more like the stable coin, and it reflects the US dollar value. Okay, almost, okay. So as you can see here, you can get 4,000 watts monthly with a monthly of 674 Tether USD. So what do you think? Is this one worth it? Of course it is. However, please take note that do your own research first. And because I am more of a play to earn gamer, I'm pretty much into this one as well. And as you can see here, I do have already 673.7 Aether. And as you can see as well into Atomic Hub, the amount of rigs are really expensive and overpriced. So just go inside this into this market right here. I'm going to show to you what are the current rig price right now. So just click the R planet here, and then it will just go to the rigs part right here. And as you can see here, the lowest rig, so let's click this one right here, and then let's just wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see here, a Switch Miner 3.0, the lowest price is $91. And if you go into to compute it right here, okay, let's compute how much it brings to the table. So just copy this ID right here. So this is Switch Miner 3.0. So click this one, Atomic Asset, and then the asset ID. Okay, so just check the stake rate, and it gives only us 150 Aether per hour. So this one is not that bad. However, just imagine that 150 Aether per hour, you're going to spend around $90. However, you can just spend $30 and you can get times 10 Aether per hour than it gives. So that's the really main difference on this one. And you should be able to compare what types of things that are really worth it to buy. And for now, I probably prefer to buy this one right here. So just remember that you can only buy one mini and one mega pack. And of course, the bots are not allowed here, as they've explained here that they will have a Google CAPTCHA in place, so that to ensure the best user experience, okay, so that no bots can participate in this upcoming sale. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. This is the latest R Planet rig sale and update for this day right now. And I hope you subscribe again into my channel. If you like this video, please thumbs up and comment on what do you think about this rig sale, and see you on the next video.